Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Gymshark Frenzy haul, and for those of you who don't know or didn't know, I'm fairly sure these are the same deals for the Blackout sale. So Australian Gymshark, they have their own website, they had a separate sale. I'm assuming they did the sale so that we don't have to get up at 4 AM and try and fight the whole world to get the things that we want. So basically they had up to 70% off site-wide, and I honestly only planned to get 3 things because they only said 5 of the ranges that were on sale. They didn't say that it was like gonna be on more stuff, if that makes sense. So I actually didn't expect to get as much as I did, but I ended up getting 9 things, which you guys are probably like, that was probably like hundreds and hundreds of dollars, but it was actually only 220 New Zealand dollars with free shipping. So I am really freaking stoked. As always at Gymshark's, express shipping is crazy fast. I bought this on Tuesday at like 9 o'clock in the evening. It shipped overnight. I think it was like Wednesday morning or Wednesday like afternoon it shipped. And today is Friday and it arrived at my house at like 4. So I'm going to open this. I'm going to try everything on. I wear a small in pretty much all Gymshark apart from a couple of things which I'll share once I get there. By the way, I'm kind of losing my voice, so if that annoys you, I apologize. As you guys can see, I have a fat stack of goodies. I also posted about this on my Instagram and I had like 3 or 4 people DMing me about like what they were adding to their carts, and it was amazing. So if I influenced you, you're welcome. I hope you guys love your stuff as much as I'm sure I will, and I'm just gonna start digging in. Alright, so the first things that we're gonna try on is a Flex set that I bought. This is the Flex Charcoal Marl in Peach Pink set. You obviously buy each piece individually, but I do have the leggings and I have the sports bra. So the leggings were 70% off, which brought them down to like $16 Australian. I don't know how much they'll be on the American website or the worldwide one, but I'm assuming it'll be pretty similar. And the bra I think was 50% off. I don't think they had any of the bras that was 70% off apart from maybe like, I think it might have been like the blue. Anyway, let's just dive in. I've actually never owned one of these bras before, but I got it in a small. I kind of think I should have got some of these in an extra small, but we shall see. So this is what the Flex sports bra looks like. Again, it's in the charcoal and peach pink. I picked this colorway because I already have like the old school like turquoise and light grey, and this is like a darker charcoal. I also got another Flex pair of leggings, which I'll show you guys in a bit. But yeah, I thought this color would be really cute, and I just wanted to buy the bra because it was like $22 or something. And I do like these really like comfy fabrics. And then we have the leggings in the same colorway, which they actually feel a lot thinner than the bra, but it's still the same sort of fabric. Really, really cute waistband. And yeah, these feel a lot better than my old school Flex leggings, which are like 2 or 3 years old. These feel just like a little bit nicer quality. They feel just as stretchy. These are low rise, well not like high rise, they're like mid rise I guess. So you probably are going to see my tummy in this next clip, so I apologize. It has been the whole day, I've been eating, so it's not going to be like when I wear my gym wear in the mornings. But yeah, I got both of them in a small. I'm not sure if I should have gotten this in an extra small, so we'll see. I'm not going to spend too long dwelling on this part because I don't feel great about how it looks just with this by itself, you know, but here kind of is a look at the middle section. Oh, I'm too scared I'm going to fall off this chair to move around. I'm back here on my tippy toes to show you guys the bra, but the bra's a really nice fit. I'd say it's actually, you know what, it's actually surprisingly medium support. I think I would keep the cups in this. I normally take them out, but I do quite like them in this one. Yeah, I think it looks really cute. I love the bra. It'll be something that I wear all the time. I also wear sports bras day to day. By the way, if you guys can see like VPL around here, I'm not wearing the best pair of underwear today. But this is what they look like on, unadjusted. Like I've just pulled them up. I haven't like played with the booty contour or anything. Really like this color. It's a lot darker than my other Flex style that I have. And the bottoms, which you guys will hear everybody saying, they are super long. That being said, my old ones are way longer, so they've definitely shortened them. So I'd probably just roll these up probably 2 times just to make it sort of more of a 7/8, something like that. Next I'm going to try this on, and this is one of the old seamless vests. They're called the Vital Seamless Vest, but it's the old Vital Seamless, if that makes sense. They're clearing these out for 70% off. I believe it's all of the old Vital stuff, so the Vital Seamless t-shirts, the Vital Seamless singlets, the long sleeve shirts, and the long sleeve crops. Not the newer Vital Seamless, but the older style. So this is I don't actually know what colour this is. This bag is super old, but it's a beige basically. And the reason why I got this is because I don't have anything neutral to wear to the gym in terms of tops. I have like blacks or bright colours. I don't have anything neutral, and I think beige would be better than white. So I picked this up. It's called the Vital Seamless Vest in Sand, and this is a size small. I'm also going to pop this on because I thought it would be cute with this outfit and my other pair of flex leggings that I got, so may as well try it on now so that I can tuck away my tummy. So this is the vest on, and like I said, I got it in a small. It's really stretchy, but a small is definitely my best size. Like, there is a little bit of material, but like I wouldn't want it any smaller, so definitely go true to size with this. You guys, this is like the most tedious video I've ever filmed. Whew. I don't think I mentioned, but I think this was about $16 as well. That's it from side on, but I thought it would be cute because it's real stretchy. I could probably like tie it up in a little knot, or I can just like bunch it and like wear it like this. I just thought it would be really nice. It is a little bit more see-through than I was expecting, but I do like the detailing on it, and again it was $16. Next we have another pair of flex leggings that were 70% off, and this is the Peach Coral. Again, I got these ones in a size small. They are exactly the same style, just like a really bright coral. I was originally only going to get these ones, but then I found the ones that I'm wearing right now were also really cheap. So I ended up getting 2 pairs of flex leggings for less than the price of one, so you can't go wrong with that. We'll start off on this chair so that you can see like the bum and waistband. They fit exactly the same as the other ones, just in like an extremely bright colour, but I love this colour. Pull this top down so that my whole tummy's not out, but again I haven't adjusted these. This is just what they look like. Just pulled up my legs and then in the length. These ones seem better, but as you can see I have to like rearrange it because it's all bunched around my knees. This is like the one thing that I don't like about the style, is that you need to do a lot of, you know, rearranging, but they're cute once you get them on. Next, I've got these slouch leggings in the khaki colour. The reason why I picked these up is because I have the dark grey ones, and I absolutely love them like to pieces. I love them so much, I can't even express to you how much I love them, and this colour, oh, it gives me life. Now these are one of the only Gymshark pieces that I wear in an extra small. I wear these in an extra small, and I also wear the Vital Seamless pants and the Vital Seamless tops in an extra small, the new ones. So I wear the Vital Seamless leggings in an extra small and the Vital Seamless bra in an extra small, just in case you're wondering. I don't even need to keep the tag on this because, oh sorry, I just hit the camera. I know that I'm keeping these. Let me just put them on and then you guys will know why I have to keep them. So, I don't know if you guys can see, but they are a little bit small for me on my waist, like they slightly squidge, but I'm not going to be walking around like this wearing them, but you can kind of see my skin does fold over. These are purely for at home. I wouldn't wear them like, you know, mega cropped in public. As you guys can see, they do everything for the caboose. Like, come on now, doesn't the boot look great? But yeah, this is an extra small, like I said. They fit really well through the leg. They actually feel quite tight, but I think it's because I'm sweaty. But yeah, like I said, they are a little bit tight like up here, but my problem areas are my waist and my love handles, so that's why. I personally don't mind it because I actually love them like sticking to my leg. I like it feeling really tight. That's how I like to wear my joggers rather than like super baggy. You could get it true to size, but if you're concerned, like if you have a small waist, go with your waist size because these are fake. They are not real toggles. I'm pretty sure everything else that I have to show you guys is black, so let's just go through the black part of it all now. All the colourful stuff is gone. The first black thing is another vest exactly like this, but in the black colour. I got it in a size small. It was also $16. By the way, the slouch pants were $10 Australian, and they were 20% off, which I think I already said. Please excuse how sweaty I am. You guys, it's summer, and I'm pretty sure it's like 27 degrees in my house right now, and there is no airflow. I will show you guys the vest when I put the shorts on, but it fits just exactly the same. And the shorts that I'm talking about are the flex shorts. Now, I can't remember how much these were. I'm pretty sure they were either 50 or 70% off, because I wouldn't have bought these for like 30% off or 40. I bought them because they were heavily discounted, but these are the flex shorts in, I think it's just called black, is it black? Black, marl and charcoal. So they're like pretty much just like black on black, and they're very just short shorts, little booty shorts, but I thought these would be good because they're just plain black. I know how comfy the flex material is, and yeah, they were really cheap. Uh-oh, I ripped the tag. So these aren't going back. Well, I would have returned them anyway because you have to pay for returns, but If I'm selling them online, they aren't brand new with tags, they're brand new without tags because I just ripped it. Don't quite know how I feel about these. These might be the one miss of this haul. So this is what they look like on. So the waistband is just like the rest of the Flex. I think everything is sticking a little bit because I am really sweaty because it's really hot. Yeah, they pretty much just look the same. And the little vest looks the same. I can pull it down like heaps, or I could crop it or fold it if I wanted to, but it's just really smooth material. And again, it was $16. That's cheaper than like one from the warehouse, you know? Okay, here they are. I kind of like do not like these at all. First things first, they do not fit the same as the leggings. The material is different. I don't know if it's just the black or what, but they don't feel as smooth. They feel a little bit stiffer, and I feel like you can tell. I don't know if you can see that well on camera, but it is kind of like not cutting off circulation, but it's giving me a little bit of a squidge here, and I am not a medium, like at all. I will wear these and see if they kind of like come right, but they're fitting really, really tight. These are the Flex shorts in charcoal marl and black, or black marl and charcoal. You guys, I like kind of can't stop laughing because the last two things that I have to try on for you guys are jumpers, and I know what you're thinking, Olivia, is it not summer in your country? And yes, you're right, it is summer in my country, but I work out in the mornings and I do wear jumpers sometimes, and even still, when stuff's 50% off, I'm gonna make the most of it. And I got two different jumpers, both black, both size small, but just in two different ranges. First one is the Solace Jumper, which does come with like matching trackies, but I didn't want those. I believe both of these, oh my god, this is so soft. Holy crap. Okay, sorry, I got distracted. I believe that this was 50% off and so was the other one, at least 50% off. I wouldn't have paid more than 50%. Wait, you know what I mean? I wouldn't have gotten if it was less than 50% off. Basically, this is just like a super plain black little number. The only Gymshark logo is wait, did I even say that right? The only Gymshark logo is just a tiny, well not that tiny, but pretty simplistic Gymshark one at the bottom. Honestly, on the inside, I don't know if you guys can tell, you won't be able to tell how soft something is. This is so thin and so soft. I really don't want to put it on right now, but I'm going to. Okay, so there's like this weird detail. I don't know if you guys can see, I think it's because girls like to like pull their jumpers down and hold on to them, but it kind of has like, you can sort of see it there. This little bit that points out so that you can like do this. I don't do that because I'm not a cute girl, but anyway. This is what it looks like on. It's very, very thin. Right now it is stifling me, but I think if I wore this to the gym it would be perfectly fine. Like it would be nice to wear while warming up, or if it's like a cold morning. I do like the neckline, it's very modest obviously. Sorry, my camera's defocusing, so if it goes out of focus I apologize. But yeah, like you can see, it falls like right around, sort of like the top of my hip bones I guess. It is a little bit longer at the back. Oh, there I go. And the final thing I got, I feel was really practical, you know, and it is called the crossback hoodie in the size small in the black marl shade. At least one other color was also on sale in this as well. But the reason why I got this, I don't know, for some reason I didn't realize it had a hood. I'm not mad, but I didn't realize. First things first, not black marl, it's definitely grey. But the reason why I got this is because I thought the back with the little like crossback slit would be really good to like fan air in if I wear it while I'm exercising. So I thought, why the hell not? It's 50% off, it's really cute. And the Gymshark logo is pretty much the same color, it's just like sheeny. It's just like a, you know, embossed design. This one isn't as soft as the Solace Jumper, it's more of like a, I don't know, just like a plain hoodie material, but it's also not super duper warm and fluffy. Like it's not fleecy, it's just kind of like raw, if that makes sense. It's really tight around the wrist and I've got baby wrists, which is weird. Oh, I feel like I've been birthed into this world wearing this. Okay, this is kind of a weird fit and it's not working for me with my hair down, and it's fitting weird on the back, and I don't know if that's the style or if it's because I've got like 4 different clothing tags entangled together. But this is it on. From this view, the arms are pretty tight and it is not very stretchy. So if you guys like have massive muscles, you might actually want to go up a size, because my biceps used to be way bigger. They're actually quite small now. Like By bigger I mean fat, not like I was a tank, but yeah, if you have like larger arms you probably want to size up because it hasn't got that much give, and you can see there's not that much fabric left for me in these. I do like the colour. The sleeve cuff thing is really long, which is probably to keep it like tailored or whatever. This is probably going to go out of focus, but this is what the crossback looks like. I don't know. Can you see me? Am I here? I don't know what it looks like. Let me know if you think it looks cute. So that was everything that I got from the Gymshark Frenzy sale. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I apologise for the fact that I'm literally red and sweaty and hot and gross, but I wanted this video to be of high quality, and now I'm thinking I should have just made you listen to the aircon instead of looking at my red face, but here we are. I also have like a 99% off, like 99% scrubbed off fake tan, so I'm like pale and a little bit patchy, so I'm sorry. If you guys ordered anything from the Frenzy sale, please let me know because I would love to know what you guys picked up. Or if you're watching this from another country, or if you're from New Zealand and you're going to try buy stuff from Blackout, let me know what you've got your eye on. My advice, if the sale is the same, get as much 70% off stuff as you can. I also saw the Aspire leggings were 70% off. I saw that after I'd placed my order. They were like $16 Australian, and those are basically like really sleek leggings with pockets, so I picked those up if I can. I also saw that the ombre seamless was 50% off, and I freaking love the ombre seamless. I think I would be an extra small in the ombre seamless now though, because all of my stuff is like way too big. If you like this video, or if you can feel my pain about like trying to try on clothes when you're hot, give this video a thumbs up and let me know what your favorite item was down below. Alright, I'm gonna go seriously have a cold shower because it's freaking hot in here. I love you guys so much. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you really soon with another video. Bye!